Hi, I'm Dr. Leslie Barrilleaux. I'm from Huntsville, Alabama, where I practice implant and cosmetic dentistry. The Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry meeting in Orlando, Dr. Miron spoke there and was really impressed with his whole program. The hands-on is really good to practice and get the nuances of the details. We did buy the book when I saw his program in Orlando and try to go through the book, and there's so many videos and protocols we're able to do it, but you get so much more tips and slight nuances of details that are helpful pearls from the hands-on and from being live in class. I hope to implement all of it. We do the PRF membranes, we'll do the extended version, we're going to do fillers as well, do the biofillers with the extended protocol. Definitely with the implant surgeries, it's going to be great to have the extended membranes to replace the collagen membranes and things that we're doing now and make it all more natural, more growth factors, better success. He's just very detailed, very thorough, puts it together in a way you can understand. He's just a great teacher. Very good with clinical, bringing it to the operatory, just making sure that all of the information is very real for your chair side and clinically. Definitely if you're going to do surgeries, you need to be here.